You've heard me say several times that the market is going to make a pivot to value stocks from growth stocks. Perhaps you're tired of hearing that, but there is some compelling evidence to back up my theory. The Dow Jones Industrial Average is a conservative group of 30 blue chip stocks, which also includes many slow growers. As a result, the Dow has underperformed the broad indexes by a wide margin in recent years, with the fast growing technology companies leading the bull market. However, the overlooked value gems may stage a turnaround with rising interest rates and inflation on the horizon. Equally important, value companies may provide a bit of shelter if the market takes a tumble. Today, I'm a bit short on time, so we're going to quickly look at two charts that will help make my case and get you thinking. So, here we go. This chart shows growth and value stocks using the Russell 1000. Of the 1000 stocks, 453 are growth stocks and 849 are value stocks. And for those paying attention and doing the math, yes, there is an overlap of stocks which are included in both categories. And as you can see, for over 5 years, the growth group has more than doubled the return of the value group. At the same time, the PE ratio of the growth group has increased to 30.9 from 16.7, while the PE ratio for the value group has increased to 15.5 from 14.4. Although the ratios are up for both groups, there's no comparison because the growth group has seen runaway success and appears to be very expensive, at least in my opinion. However, keep in mind that the top 5 stocks in the growth group are made up of companies like Apple, which tend to distort the valuation. However, it's pretty clear to see the disparity between the value propositions. And then this chart here that shows the ratio of consumer staples to consumer discretionary stocks. While the market is obsessed with IPOs, SPACs, and chasing quick profits, it's forgotten about value. And the theory I put in front of you is that while one can chase a quick profit, people will continue to eat, drink, clean their homes, and put their kids in diapers for decades to come. And given that the ratio is now lower than at the peak of the internet bubble, we have compelling evidence suggesting that today is one of the best times in history to invest in a select group of staples. And I told you that was going to be quick. So for today, that's ChewDog Charts. Thank you.